Tell me blaze fire blazer.
It's dance.
Camaro, baby Camaro. Give them Panado, cause your ED is a bomb. Camaro, baby Camaro. Give them Panado, cause your ED is a bomb. Killer.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be on how I was able to achieve this beautiful wet look. I just can't get enough of this wet look. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, this video is gonna be another wet look styling video. If you've not seen the ones I did with my natural hair and the one I actually did with a short wig, short curly wig, I'm gonna link that in the description box below. But today I'll be doing it with a longer curly wig. This wig is very beautiful and it's really affordable now. I think it's on sale now. It's from Msbuy hair company. I'm gonna put all the old specs. I'm gonna put all the hair specs, links and everything in the description box below. This wig is actually on sale now and it's going fast. It's so beautiful. Like I always say, if you want to do something fun and new with your curly wig, if you have a curly wig at home already, you can always get away with doing this wet look. I think it's really cute, and doing it on a wig, you know, it's kind of easier to manage because when you do it, you go out, when you come back, you take it off and you're free and you sleep peacefully than doing it on your own natural hair. And that way you'll be protecting your natural hair as well. So this time I kind of changed the method a little bit, so you guys are going to see everything in the video. I absolutely love the way it turned out. What do you guys think? As for me, I love it and I hope you guys love it as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so the hair came through DHL and this is what the packaging looks like. So this is what the wig looks like. So you can see this wig is very beautiful. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. I've applied my concealer on the lace frontal part of the wig. I did not bleach it. I only applied a foundation that is my skin color to make the lace frontal look more natural. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the spare lace in front. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Got2b glue gel. As you guys can see, this time I'm not using any stocking cap method. This is just wearing a normal wig without any cap. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spray my Got2b glue fit spray and I'm gonna blow dry it with my blow dryer. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig. Then now I'm gonna go ahead with my spirit and just clean out the shiny parts in front. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create my baby hair. And then I'm gonna lay it down with my Eco Styler gel. Then I'm gonna go ahead and tie my scarf and leave it for about 5 minutes. Then right here, I'm gonna go ahead and spray water on the hair. As I spray the water, I just fluff it out with my fingers. Then now going in with my oil, my hair serum, I'm gonna apply it on the hair as well. I'm gonna comb just the top part of the hair. Then here I'm gonna go ahead and apply my jam as well to give it a more sleek look. Right here I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. And then I'm gonna spray more water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just hold the side part with a bobby pin. This is totally optional. And I'll tie a scarf on it and allow it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and take out the scarf and you guys can see what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this hair, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.